Good morning, friends. We are getting ready for our math chapter test that we're going to be taking tomorrow. So make sure you pay attention because Miss Dennis is going to review with you. Okay, let's look up here on the board. Miss Dennis has two groups of 10 and I have 14 ones. Can I put 14 in the ones place? No, I can't. So what do I have to do? What do I have to do, Madeline? That's right. I have to make a group of 10. Okay? So let's make a group of 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to take this over here and I'm going to make a group of 10. So now, how many groups of 10 do I have? How many do I have, Madeline? 1, 2, 3. That's right. So now I have 3 tens. And how many ones do I have, Grayson Daly? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. 3 tens and 4 ones. So the number is 34. That's right. Okay, let's come over here. And Miss Dennis has a bunch more on the board we're going to review. All right, so let's look at the first problem Miss Dennis has on the board. Whenever we have a problem, we always do the what first, Jake? That's right, the ones place first. That's right. We have 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, Gabby. That's right, 6. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is what, Monica? That's right, 5. So my answer is 56. Okay, let's look down here. Miss Dennis has 32 plus 10. I could put the 10 over here and add it together and say 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 3 is 4, and I get 42. Or I could use my hundreds chart and I could find 32 and I could go down 10, which is 42. Either way. Okay, the next problem says 32 plus 1. So I had 32 in my head, and add 1 to it. 32, what comes next? That's right, 33. Okay, let's look at my next problem I have. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to check the sum. Okay, so first we're going to add these together. So I add my ones place first. So I say 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now to check my sum, all I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my add-ins. Remember, it doesn't matter what order I add them in, right? So I'm going to put 46 plus 32, and I'm going to check and make sure I get the same sums. So I have 6 plus 2 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7. So yes, both of them are 78. Okay, let's look at the next one. Oh, the next one is when we were talking about rounding numbers, trying to get to see which one is closest to which 10. So we have 68 is where the dot is. Is 68 closer to 60 or is 68 closest to 70? We can make our little hops if we need to. Ooh, that was a bunch of hops, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hops to get to 60. 1, 2. Only 2 hops to get to 70. Okay, so it is closer to 70. Okay, so let's look down here. We also did some problems like this, where we would say 76. What is 76 closest to? Which 10 is it closest to? We can look at our hundreds chart. Is 76 closer to 70 or is 76 closer to 80? What's it closest to, Mila? That's right, 80. So we come down here and we write 80. Okay, the next one is 12. What 10 is 12 closest to? So we find 12 on our hundreds chart. Is it closer to 10 or is it closest to 20, Emmanuel? That's right, 10. So I write 10. and I add them together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 1 is 9. Also in this chapter, we've talked about regrouping, right? So here we go. We have our 10s on this side, our 1s on this side. So we have 8 plus 5. 8 in our head and hold up 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we put our 3 right here for our 13, and we carry our 1. 1 and 1 more makes 2, and we get 23. The next one was 5 plus 7. 7 in your head and hold up 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we put our 2 here and our 1 here. See the 1 and the 2, that makes 12. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 more makes 7. So we have 72. That's right.